Question 5. Noah is growing 3 different types of trees. He's keeping track of the height of each tree over time. He has represented this information 3 different ways. For the first tree, he has it written as an equation in which the height in feet for m amount of months. So the equation is h equals 3.5 m. The table is representing the information for the second tree. In the first column, you've got time, also in months, and in the second column, it says height of tree in feet. The third tree, he's keeping track of the data showing or representing the data through a graph in which the x-axis is the time in months and the y-axis is height in feet. The question you are asked to answer is which tree is growing the slowest, and explain how you know. So your answer is going to say first tree, second tree, or third tree. And then you have to give an explanation as to how you know that it's growing the slowest. My hint for this would be rate of change.